Hello everybody, welcome back to Spanish with Unacademy. In today's lesson, we're going to explore one of the most versatile and frequently used verbs in Spanish language, tener. Mastering this verb is essential for expressing a wide range of ideas and necessities in Spanish. In today's video, we're going to cover three things. 1. Basic conjugation. Of course, you're going to learn how to conjugate the verb in the present tense. 2. Common uses. We're going to discover how to use tener to talk about age, possessions, and more. And 3rd, idiomatic expressions. We're going to find out some popular Spanish phrases that use the verb tener in ways you might not expect. So, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to confidently use tener and enhance your Spanish communication skills. Grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive into the fascinating world of Spanish. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more engaging and informative Spanish lessons. Are you ready? Empecemos. Truth to be told, tener have many different meanings based on the context. For example, it can mean to possess, to carry, to wear, to feel, and to be. The most common one is to have. So here's how you conjugate the verb tener in the present tense. So listen. Yo tengo. Tú tienes. Él o ella tiene. Nosotros tenemos. Ellos tienen. Y ustedes tienen. Okay, so let's continue with Spanish expressions with the verb tener. Tener que. To have to. This is an easy one and perfect for those times when you have to do something. You see it a lot in Spanish, so you better get familiar with it. For example, tiene que comprar los boletos. He has to buy the tickets. Tengo que hacer mi práctica diaria en mi app de Unacademy. I need to do my daily practice on my Unacademy app. Tener hambre, tener sed, tener sueño, tener frío, tener calor. As you can see, tener is pretty versatile. ¿Tienes calor? Are you hot? ¿Tienen frío? Are they cold? ¿Cuánto calor? Tenemos mucha sed. What a hot day. We're so thirsty. Tengo mucha hambre. I am very hungry. ¿Tiene sueño? She's sleepy. Tener 20 años. To be 20 years old. While in English we use to be to say how old we are, in Spanish we use the verb to have. ¿Cuántos años tiene tu hijo? How old is your son? Él tiene 29 años. He is 29 years old, you see? Tener prisa. To be in a hurry. ¿Nos puedes traer la cuenta, por favor? Tenemos prisa. Can you bring us the bill, please? We're in a hurry. Guys, wait a second. I need to do my Spanish daily lesson, so let's do it together. Okay, so let's translate this sentence. My name is Juan would be...
Mi nombre es Juan.
Excellent, very good. Let's continue. Okay, now here we need to translate to Spanish. Thank you very much, sir. How would you translate that?
Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias, señor.
Excellent, very good. Let's continue. Okay, here we need to match the following.
Muchas gracias. Mi familia.
Okay, very good. Let's continue. Okay, translate the sentence. I am from Spain.
Yo soy de Yo soy de España.
Perfect, very good. Let's see. Drag the images into the correct bucket. So we have a doctor,
Doctora.
a house,
Casa.
and a girl.
Chica.
Okay, now we need to translate to Spanish. She is American. Perfect. Ella es americana. Okay, now we need to match the following.
Yo.
Okay.
Ella. Él.
Okay, excellent. Very good.
Yo soy niño. Yo soy niño.
Okay. Excellent. I got my daily streak, so now we can continue with our video. Tener éxito. To be successful. Ha tenido éxito en todo lo que hace. He's been successful at everything he does. Tener que ver con. To have to do with. This is about being connected or being related to something or having something to do with something else. Lo que dices no tiene nada que ver conmigo. Lo que dices no tiene nada que ver conmigo. What you're saying has nothing to do with me. Tener razón. To be right. We all like to be right, and this is the right expression for that. Lucero siempre tiene razón. Lucero is always right. Tener lugar. To take place. La conferencia tendrá lugar en Berlín. The conference will take place in Berlin. Tener en cuenta. To keep in mind. Okay? Or let's say take into account, take into consideration. Let's see. Ten en cuenta que ella fue amable contigo. Keep in mind that she was nice or very kind to you. Tener la culpa. To be at fault. In Spanish, culpa means fault or guilt. Ella no tiene la culpa de lo que sucedió. What happened isn't her fault. Tener pensado. To intend to. Tener pensado is for those times when you have an idea in your head and you go over it again and again until you finally do something about it. For example, Marla tiene pensado viajar a Barcelona. Marla intends to travel to Barcelona. Tener suerte. To be lucky. Do you feel lucky today? In Spanish, we have luck. And here's how you can use the expression. Tengo suerte de haberte conocido. I'm lucky to have met you. Tengo suerte de haberte conocido. Tener miedo. To be afraid or scared. We use this expression with tener to say we're scared or afraid of something. For example, tengo miedo de las alturas. I'm afraid of heights. Tener cuidado. To be careful. Easy expression to remember. Ten cuidado con lo que deseas. Be careful with what you want. And that will be it for today's lesson on the verb tener. I hope you enjoyed learning about the many uses of tener and feel more confident incorporating it into your Spanish. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will become. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, probably share it with a friend, leave a comment, save it for future references, and of course, subscribe to Spanish with Unacademy. Yo soy Lorena. Adiós.